Hello. This is my first training video. The first the main focus on my training will be my speech. I want to eliminate all of parasite words that I'm using, all of the irrelevant pauses that annoy people, all of the sounds that are like and sucking and especially the sound uh, which infuriates me when I hear other people using it. So my goal will be to talk through this video mainly for my reviewing, if I sound good, better, if I'm improving or not. Maybe some of my close friends or relatives will review this video and help me to find to find mistakes that I'm making or sounds that I'm making which is not listenable in any other video. Maybe I need to talk louder, quieter, use a different timbre of my voice. Maybe my pronunciation is not as good as someone would expect. I actually want to do this thing and improve my speaking skills, especially public speaking. So the goal will be first goal. First. I actually didn't know that this can do like this. Okay. Okay. Not this one. Sorry. Glitter canvas. So, the first goal. Clear speech. I actually hope I'm not making no mistakes in this video. I'm thinking about sending it for a review to the English teacher so he can check if my pronunciation is good. And he's an Englishman and he might be quite picky. But the thing is, I'm not quite good at British English. I'm better at American English. And I want to improve that. So, clear speech. What else? The ability to have a strong voice is also good. So your timbre needs to be the same all the time. It has to be very pleasant to be listened to. To be listened to? That people would be pleased to listen to you. So, clear, strong timbre. From what I understood, you have to use more of your lungs while speaking. Clear voice is something you have to work, put effort into it. If you whisper, it might sound good in your head, but I guess it doesn't sound good in the video. Just for checking, it will sound like this. So something like this is not quite good to be listen. I try to understand if this kind of speaking is better, or using your voice, like putting some power behind it. I have made some of lection and I delivered some of speeches before, but it was a long time. I didn't do that for more than 4 years now. And lately I had a chance to speak to our audience explaining a specific subject. And I spoke non-stop for 2 hours. And well, everyone was quite pleased with it. And I thought, I like that. I was tired, but I like that. And I pursued this. So I want to make a specific things. So achieve my goals. A clear speech, a strong voice, and I need to practice it consistently for a long time. So basically I need specific topics, either to doodle things or to talk about things. Topics. Yeah. Anyways, I need to think about it, to listen to my voice, and maybe ask someone else to listen to it and evaluate it. What kind of approach is the best? Also, practice makes perfect, so I'll need to do it regularly. At least a video a day. I know that the beginning is very hard. This content will not make an audience for me, but at least I will know where I started and if I could go through with everything. You need to start somewhere. And think this will be my start. Training number 1. We